Today, we are remembering our mothers who are currently being held in China's concentration camps, whom we are not able to say Happy Mother's Day.
What comes to your mind when you think about your mother?
There is no equality to that word. A warm feeling crosses my heart whenever I think about her. I can feel her embrace and her love just in here.
Book. My mom loves reading book. She's a hardworking individual and she encouraged me and all the Uyghur female to receive education. I miss this wonderful woman so much.
My mother taught me to have confidence in myself, and she is my best friend who can understand my heart.
Every day, every time, miss my mother with desperate eyes, hopeless tears, her long and heartbreaking voice resound in my ears. Daughter, save yourself.
Dear Mom, Happy Mother's Day. I miss you all so much.
Today is supposed to be a day of celebration, but for us, it's another day filled with pain and desperation. We call the Chinese government to release our mothers.